So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
It doesn't make any sense. These doors haven't been open in weeks.
Were those claw marks always there?
You think it? Oh, God. She has an implant in her back. I can track it from the control room. Put ACU on alert. This is not a drill.
And even though I didn't, meet him until I was 13, I definitely consider Carl to be like more of a dad than my real dad. Yeah, hello?
Larry, get me coordinates on the Indominus.
Okay, yeah. Let me do it. I'm doing it right now.
The wall's 40 feet high. You really think she could have climbed out?
Depends.
On what?
What kind of dinosaur they cooked up in that lab.
Wait, what the hell? It's in the cage.
No, that's impossible. I was just there.
Claire, I'm telling you, she's in the cage. Wait a second. There are people in there.
Get them out of there now.
Now! Panic 11, this is Control. You need to evacuate the container. Panic 11, do you copy?
Then what's the problem?
It's in the cage! It's in there with you!
Go!
Sometimes I feel like I've got to sneeze.
I just woke up and I literally cannot stop sneezing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I literally cannot. What is going on? I gotta sneeze again. Oh no, it's stuck. Okay, I have officially stopped sneezing. No, I literally can feel a sneeze in my face. What the heck? Am I gonna sneeze or not?
I think. Maybe.
Still aggravates me.
Yeah!
It still aggravates me at the fact that I can't clean out my ears without coughing my kidneys out.
If you ever need to sneeze on command, what you're going to do is take a piece of toilet paper, split it in half. I'm just rolling it up like I'm rolling it, and I'm just going to poke it in my nose. And make it touch the back of your nostrils. And I'm about to sneeze like 3 times, or maybe twice. And I kind of need to sneeze right now, so that's why I'm making this video, but it's not coming out. So I need to activate my sneeze. I fast forwarded this part because it was 53.9 seconds and I didn't think anyone needed to actually see me poking my nostril with toilet paper live. So there it is. I'm switching to the other side because I need like fresh toilet paper in my nostril. It's something about fresh toilet paper that activates my sneezes. So that's why I turn the toilet paper around. That's one. I hope y'all enjoy these graphics on the snot. 2. 3. That's how you can sneeze on demand. Just roll up some toilet paper and poke it in your nose. I'll do it again. I only have 20 seconds left, but let's see if I can activate my sneezes again.
Follow us on Instagram. If you want access to more exclusive content, then you need to join our Patreon community. Please do so.